I am going to be putting this like contact paper on my countertops because I do not want to spend the money to get new granite countertops. So I've decided to go ahead and just invest in some inexpensive option because I like the kind of gray white look of the theme I'm going with here. I don't like the brown on the top, so I'm going to go ahead and buy this, or put this on that I bought from Amazon. So it is the Lively 9 197 by 36 contact paper for countertops. I am going to be using this thing. It's the little kit that I picked up from Amazon as well.
It was really hard to get going at first on this, but once I started to lay the tape down, it actually worked out. It just took a little bit of time to try to get the feel of laying down the laminate onto the countertops.
Everything is not enough. Really hard by the ocean. Among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Okay, so it didn't turn out exactly how I had planned. However, I think it's decent. I had to do the edge here a little bit, kind of added a little bit of a strip right there. You can't quite see it. My phone or my camera doesn't ever autofocus very well. So, but you can kind of see through here. There are a few bubbles and stuff in the actual laminate but all in all, it turned out okay. I like it way better than before. And even though I have a new faucet fixture, I'm going to take that out as well and put a new faucet fixture in. And I think once all of this is done, it will make the kitchen look a lot more bright and modern, and instead of the nasty, it just looked horrible before. Eventually I'll get the entire countertop done and it will be nice and pretty. So I won't even put this up until I'm complete, and then I'll show you the final project. I am going to be taking this faucet out and putting this faucet in, and we'll see how it works out. As you can see, I don't have a lot of space up here, but these are 6-inch depth sink. I just installed this little hand soap dispenser, but I don't have an extender for this faucet. I like the faucet okay. I actually had somebody install this one, but I'm going to install the newer one myself. So I got finally the faucet out, and as you can see, it's very dirty. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the contact paper that I have on the other piece here. I'm going to clean this off really good and then put that down. And then I'm going to put the beautiful new faucet in. Let me get this turned back on. Hopefully there's no leaking in here. No leaking so far. Okay. All right, let's go up here. All right, so it works. Okay. There we go. Okay, it shuts. You have to hold it down to turn it off. Lots of stuff in the sink. That's on. Man, that's good pressure right there. I like it. Oh, okay, that's cold. Okay, wait a minute. This is hot. Towards me is hot. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, guys. So I did it. I put in the faucet. Looks good. There's a little rust around here, but it's okay. And then you can see my finished countertops that I did. So it looks pretty good. It's not the best, but for a novice, or for not even a novice, a beginner, it actually turned out okay. And I reinforced it over here, so I overlapped them. You can kind of see there's like, well, you probably can't see it. There's a line right here. That's probably the shadow from the cabinets. Well, you can see the lines cross over each other, so they're not in the same direction, but the other part is all in one direction this way, and then it goes this way across the countertops this way. So, okay guys, that's it for this video. Really happy that I got my new faucet installed, and it is good. It is really good. I'm thrilled. You know, when you do these kind of things, you don't really know if you can do it, and then when you do it, you're like, I can just do about anything. All right, God bless you guys, and hope you have a good evening, day, weekend, weekday, whatever time you're watching this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.